everyone. Welcome to Geeta's classes. Today I will teach you the table tricks. From how to write table from 1 to 100. Single digit number, it's very easy to by heart, but when it comes to the double digit number, it's very difficult to by heart. Suppose I am saying you the table of 13. I am writing the table of 13. In my last videos, I had shown you how to write the table of 9, 19, 29, 39. It's a different tricks. In this video, I will show you the different tricks. Suppose I am writing the table of 13. No need to write the table of 13. Just write table of 1 and table of 3. So 1 1 ja 1, 1 2 ja 2, 1 3 ja 3, 1 4 ja 4, 1 5 ja 5, 1 6 ja 6, 1 7 ja 7, 1 8 ja 8, 1 9 ja 9 and 1 10 ja 10. In the same way, we will write table of 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, 3 6 ja 18, 3 7 ja 21, 3 8 ja 24, 3 9 ja 27, 3 10 ja 30. Now we want table of 30. So 13 1 ja 13, 1 3, just write 1 3, 13 2 ja 26, write 26, 13 3 ja 39, just write 3 9, 39. Now from here we got here the 2-digit number. So tens place we will add it. So we will make one box. And this tens place we will add. 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5, what left? 2 left in a unit place. So 52. So 13 4 ja 52. 13 5 ja 65. 13 6 ja 6 plus 1 is 7. What left? 8. 78. 13 7 ja 91. 13 8 ja 8 plus 2 is 10. What left? 4. 104. 13 9 ja 9 plus 2 is 11. What left? 7. You have to just add 7. And 13 10 ja 10 plus 3 is 13. What left? 0. So in this way, you can write the 2-digit number table. Suppose I am showing you more examples. We are writing table of 24. No need to by heart the table of 24. Just write table of 2 and table of 4. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, 2 7 ja 14, 2 8 ja 16, 2 9 ja 18 and 2 10 ja 20. As all we know, the table of 2, 4, 3, 1, 6, 8. But it's very difficult to by heart the table of 24, 69, 87. So with this trick, with this easy form, you can write that table also. Now we will write the table of 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20, 4 6 ja 24, 4 7 ja 28, 4 8 ja 32, 4 9 ja 36, 4 10 ja 40. Now how to write table of 24? Just 24, 2 and 4. Write it 24 1 ja 24. 4 and 8 single number. Write 48. Now from here in 4 table it started with the 2-digit number. So just make one box. You people no need to actually make the box. You just have to add the tens place. I want to show you to clear the concept. That's why I am making this box. So 6 plus 1 is 7. And what left? 2. Just write 2. So 24 3 ja 72. Now 8 plus 1 is 9. What left? Unit place 6. So 24 4 ja 96. In the same way, 10 plus 2 is 12. What left? 0. 12 plus 2 is 14. What left? 4. 14 plus 2 is 16. What left? 8. 16 plus 3 is 19. What left? 2. 18 plus 3 is 21. What left? 6. and 20 plus 4 is 24. What left? 0. So 24 1 cha 24, 24 2 ja 48, 24 3 ja 72, 24 4 ja 96, 24 5 ja 120, 24 6 ja 144, 24 7 ja 168, 24 8 ja 192, 24 9 ja 216 and 24 10 ja 240. In this simplest way, you can write the big numbers. So now you can do the big tables. Now I will show you one more example. Suppose I am taking table of 39. Now in my last video, I had shown you how to write the table of 9, 19. Okay. So just write table of 3 and table of 9. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, 3 6 ja 18, 3 7 ja 21, 3 8 ja 24, 3 9 ja 27 and 3 10 ja 30. In the same way, so 9 1 ja 9. So just write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. Okay. Till then, I am showing you how I had written the table of 9. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27, 9 4 ja 36, 9 5 ja 45, 9 6 ja 54, 9 7 ja 63, 9 8 ja 72, 9 9 ja 81, 9 10 ja 90. This trick I had shown in my last video's table trick, not table of 39. How to write the table of 39. So just write 3 9 39, 39 1 ja 39. From the second place onwards, it starts the 2-digit number. We are getting the 2-digit number. So what we have to do, just we have to add the tens place. Just we have to add the tens place. Now 6 plus 1 is 7. What number left? 8. So 39 2 ja 78. 9 plus 2 is 11. What left? 7. 1 1 7. Now 12 plus 3 is 15. What left? 6. It means 39 4 ja 156. 15 plus 4 is 19. What left? 5. 18 plus 5 is 23. What left? 4. So this I am writing table of 39 now. 21 plus 6 is 27. What left? 3. 24 plus 7 is 31. What left? 2. 3 1 2. Now 27 plus 8. 27 plus 8 is, I think so, it's 35. 27, 28, 29, 30. 35. And what left? 1. So 351. Now 30 plus 9 is 39. And what left? 0. So in this way, I had written the table of 39. Now 39 1 ja 39, 39 2 ja 78, 39 3 ja 117, 39 4 ja 156, 39 5 ja 195, 39 6 ja 234, 39 7 ja 273, 39 8 ja 312, 39 9 ja 351 and 39 10 ja 390. In this way, till 100, you can write any table by using this trick. So no need to by heart the tables. If you have any doubt, please share your doubt in comment box. And if you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.